Using Nougat, we will select AMG Lab Solutions. First, right-click the project to add the Nougat, manage Nougat, and then we browse for AMG Lab Solution, AMG Lab, and then select Excel Productivity tool. Install it, accept. Okay, now the Nougat is installed. You can check the license and the documentation by view license, and you can find some more information, some updated informations about the Nougat and the contact information if you need more details. Now let's see how we can use it. You can build simple application, just a button. Now we will debug it like that. You need to set the license context the first time of use, and then now we will browse for any Excel file. Let's take a tabular Excel file that contain a table. Here it is. And now just using this simple code, you can load the Excel file and then you can navigate it. Thank you.